In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and utilize some of Grammarly's most useful keyboard shortcuts and navigation commands. If you're looking to streamline your work within the Grammarly platform, this is definitely going to help you out. Let's dive in, starting with how you can navigate the Grammarly editor interface without even touching your mouse. If you ever find yourself needing to move around the Grammarly editor seamlessly, the first thing you want to do is use the F6 key. By pressing F6, you'll be able to advance to the next element in the interface. Conversely, if you need to step back to a previous element, you simply hold down the Shift key while pressing F6. Once you're zeroed in on a specific section, maybe you've pressed F6 and landed on the area that you want to focus on, you can move forward within that section using the Tab key. If you want to move backward, hold down Shift and then press Tab. When you need to interact with a link or button, you have the option to press the Enter key or, alternatively, the space bar, whichever you find more convenient. Now, let's talk about the Grammarly sidebar, also known as the Assistant window. On a Windows device, if you want to open this sidebar, you'll press Shift along with Control and the letter G simultaneously. Similarly, on a Mac, replace Control with the Command or CMD key, so you'll press Shift, CMD, and G. Opening this sidebar is key to taking advantage of all the extra tools Grammarly offers on the side. Depending on the context, there might be another key combination for closing it. It varies slightly based on what you're doing within the platform at the time. Next, we have a feature called Quick Fix. This is particularly beneficial if you have a series of critical suggestions from Grammarly that you want to accept in one swoop. When the suggestion pop-up appears, simply press the Tab key to accept these critical suggestions. It's like a breeze of efficiency. One keystroke for all. However, it's worth noting that this particular shortcut is available only to Premium, Pro, or Business users across Grammarly, for Mac, Grammarly for Windows, and the browser extension on Chrome. If you're on one of these plans, you definitely want to make use of this shortcut in your writing process to save ample amounts of time and effort. So, there you have it. A quick rundown of navigating Grammarly with seamless ease. By integrating these shortcuts into your routine, you'll find that working within Grammarly becomes faster and smoother, allowing you to focus more on what truly matters, your writing.